Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing a new product, DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is the high-end model and this is a Fly More combo plus with the RC2 remote control. This baby loves the sky, so that is the best place to unboxing this new product. And I will be showing you what's inside the box. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment. I will be happy to answer. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay guys, so this is my DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo RC2. It's a bundle Fly More Combo Plus. So this is the high-end model and the value is 1799 Australian dollar. So let me see what's inside the box. DJI Mini 4 Pro, this is the latest drone in the market, and let's unbox that now. This is the latest 2024 model. So they have put up this seal here, and we need to open the seal. So this is the drone. So this is the combo plus model, so it comes with the bag. So this is the bag, and let me show you what's inside this bag. So this is the tape, you have to open that, but we will do it later. I will be showing you how the drone looks inside. So this is the beautifully packed drone. So this is the drone. As you can see that, the good thing is now they have provided this kind of cover basically to tie the wings, because otherwise the wings will be, there are chances, so you can open like this, so it will be safe to lock and pack the drone in the proper way. So this is the, especially DJI Mini 3, this thing was missing, so now they have provided this, and they have the lens cover, and as you can see, this is a beautiful drone. It is less than 249 gram, and so it is not covered by the regulation in most of the countries. So Mini 4 Pro, and it comes with the quite a good sensors, because it has the side sensors also, you can see that. So sensor on the bottom, sensors on the back also, and plus on the top also. So quite a safe drone now they have made. And plus this is the remote control. This is RC2 remote control, and it has more flying limit of they are claiming as a 20-kilometer limit, so flying range. Let's see actually how much it is. So I will be showing you in the separate video, but this is the RC2 remote control, and with these antennas it has a more clearer range. And the knobs here, there are two knobs required, which they have put up on the back, so you can take them off just like this, and you have to attach like this, so it goes like this, and the same way there is a second one, and you can attach this one here, So it is all good. And then it comes with the batteries, as you can see. So these are the two battery, and one battery is already here. So as you can see that there are three batteries altogether. So each battery covers 45 minutes of flying time. So in the actual use, it is around 37-38 minutes. So which is pretty good. Like, you have three batteries and you can fly as per your requirement. So that is pretty good. And plus it has some extra accessories also. I will be showing you here some of the small stuff they have provided. So this is just the silica gel, just for the safety of this product. And this is the manual, DJI manual to register your product. And these are the other accessories, small accessories they have provided. So I will be showing you that also, what they have provided. So these are the extra blades, extra wings for the drone. And this is the charging cable. It is USB type A to type C. And plus it has a data transfer cable. Both side is a type C. And plus it has, this is a tool which you need to change the wings, so if you need to change here, so that screwdriver will be required here if you need to change the wings. So that is pretty much good. And it is very useful product, and it is value for the money. So guys, this was pretty much inside the box. As you can see there, this is the drone, DJI Mini 4 drone. And plus three set of batteries it has. And this is RC2 remote control, and plus a carry bag also, and some other stuff like the extra wings you need. If there is any crash or anything, you can use that. And this is the screwdriver, and plus two type of USB cable, type C, USB A to type C, and type C to type C. And plus DJI instruction manual. So let me start this remote control first. So you have to press one, and then second press again. And same way, now you have to turn on the drone. So one press and then long press the second time. So drone is asking remote the language I have to select, and I have to accept the terms, agree. And I have to select the country also. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and I will be coming up with the more videos on the different technology and travel related, and I will be also putting more videos on the quality of the video from DJI Mini 4 drone.